Yo foodies, today we're gonna make Caprese salad. This classic Italian dish is made with just a few simple ingredients: ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. To begin, start by slicing the tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese into equally thick slices. Arrange the slices in any sort of pattern you like, alternating between tomato and mozzarella. Next, pick some fresh basil leaves and lay them over the top of the tomato and mozzarella slices. You can use as many basil leaves as you like, but be sure to cut them into smaller pieces before laying them on top of the salad. Now it's time to drizzle the salad with some extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. But make sure you use the best quality ingredients for the best flavor. Finally, sprinkle some salt and freshly ground black pepper over the top of the salad. That's it! Your delicious Caprese salad is ready to be served. Till the next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring new flavors and recipes. Bye for now.